Welcome to Antarim Creations. Once again, just before 3 days, we have uploaded our previous video, and we are coming again very soon because I have previously promised you in the previous video that I will come again very soon with the embroidery collections. So embroidery collections are ready right now, and I'm kind of sick today, but still I'm making this video to show you the collections, because the collections we have made will be dispatched to our customers' address by tomorrow, I guess, right? So that's why I'm coming again to show you the new collections, and let's go and see the collections. So here are the new embroidery collections I'm going to show you today. There are 10 designs. So I'll be showing you one by one. Can you please focus on it? Is it focused properly? Okay. I have made this Telugu quotation for one of my Telugu customer. This is completely customized, made by me. I have asked for a regular quotation of her mother tongue. She has given me this quotation, and I have made this design on Photoshop. And after making it on Photoshop, we have embroidered this, and I hope she will love it. It's a very regular one. Some designs are there which are regular. You have previously seen those designs, like this one. One thing again I want to show you guys that the finishing, the stitching quality of the products, right? These are V-neck, and all stitching are invisible stitching. Can you see this properly? Is it focused? Okay. So this gives you basically a very branded look. You can buy this kind of embroidery motif blouse from anywhere, but this finishing you will not get from anywhere. Only some people, I'm not telling you that only we do this, but only some people can provide you this kind of stitching and this kind of material. The material you're seeing, you will get to know only if you touch it and you feel it. You feel the fabric. Only in that case you can understand what is the quality of the fabric. This is Jayashree cotton. It's khadi cotton, but this khadi cotton has a glossy look, very glossy look. And this floral design is made on a cotton cambric fabric. And the last of 10 designs is this one. And here are 10 other collections. These all are sleeveless. So when you will place the order, it does not matter whether the product is sleeveless or with sleeve, right? So whatever is your requirement, you will get. I would like to show you the front also. The same invisible stitch. Right? Going to the next one. This one is very elegant, right? This color is very much elegant. And the color of the embroidery is very good. It looks nice. And this one has a very spiritual look. And for college girls, it's a very attractive design. Basically, today we have so many designs which are exactly nice for college girls. The only key design. Go to the next one. These are birds made of paper. And the same thing from one of my Telugu customer. She sent me a quotation, a Telugu quotation, and I made these designs out of the quotation, and after that we made it on embroidery design. Look at this green color looks very nice, and the contrast color of the embroidery thread looks very sober on this design. And the last embroidery collection for today. And after this one, after this design, you have a very nice surprise today. Here, one new design of embroidery knit I'm going to show you. So here this embroidery knit blouse collections. These knits are a bit expensive. I would like to show you one by one. Hope you can see this. The finishing of the embroidery on the knit is really nice, and in this section there is lining, and on the top section there is only the knit, right? And the sleeve is also of knit, and on the back portion you can see the most of the section is without lining, only the bottom section is with lining. So here is the design, the same design. It has 4 colors. I'll show you one by one. Here is the black one, the most gorgeous one. Here are the loop designs on the back and a small cut on the back. The next one, the white design on the back. Here is the back side. The designs are same, only the colors are changed. And for this chocolate color, the knit design is also changed, and the quality of the knit is also higher. Thanks for watching the entire video. So hope you liked all the embroidery collections we have shown you today. So if you have any new design in your mind, if you want us to make some new video, new collections, or to go to a new segment, please leave a comment on the comment box below, and get our WhatsApp number and our Facebook page link and our Instagram ID from the description box. Thanks for watching the entire video. Thank you so much.